When we discuss interval inversions, we're talking about reversing the order of the two letters that form the interval. So let me demonstrate that by writing a C major scale vertically on my page. So if I have C to E, that is not the same as E to C. You can see that simply by the length of the line that I've drawn. So reversing the order, or turning the interval upside down, is creating an interval inversion. The sizes x plus y must add up to 9. So this is a third, this is a sixth. They add up to 9. Now, the qualities also invert. This is a major third. That turns into a minor seventh, or I'm sorry, minor sixth. So major and minor reverse. So I'll put little arrows. Diminished and augmented change names. And perfect never changes. Never ever. Perfect interval is a perfect interval when it inverts. Now let's look at this on a staff instead of just in the abstract. So let me do the same example. Treble clef, C to E is my major third. I would need to find that on the cheat sheet. And C to E, it will be in the C major scale, therefore it's a major third. So then when I invert it, I have a predictable name. I actually do not need to refer to the E major scale to determine that this note is not part of it, therefore this is a minor sixth. I already know it's a minor sixth just by virtue of knowing what the inversion is. So let's do another one. Let's do F and B. Okay? So now let's figure out what F to B is, because we have the F major scale. We know that there's a B flat in the F major scale, so this is higher, right, because the flat has become a natural. Therefore, this is an augmented fourth. So I do not need to refer to the cheat sheet to look at the B major scale, because I know, simply because I've reversed the order of the notes, the high note has become the low note, that I have a diminished fifth. So that's the principle of interval inversion. It's a really simple principle, and it means that if you know something really easy, like B to D sharp, which you should know is a major third, then if I give you D sharp to B, you don't have to use musical algebra. You could simply calculate the inversion of this, which we have over here, and know that this one, oops, I'm sorry, I started to write the wrong thing, is a minor sixth. That's an easy way to do something without going through musical algebra.